Hi, friends. Today I want to show you something magical. Morning dew. Look at these tiny drops. They're called dew. They appear in the morning when the air gets cool and water wraps around the grass and leaves like tiny hugs from nature. Dew isn't just pretty, it's super helpful. It gives plants a little drink when there's no rain. And guess what? Some animals, like birds and bugs, drink dew too. Isn't that cool? Dew is like a secret gift from nature every morning.
Thanks for learning with me. See you next time for another discovery on Nature Wonders.